Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create tabs in Wix Studio. So in Wix Studio, creating tabs for your website is a great way to organize content in a clean and much user-friendly and professional way. So we're going to look into how we can do this in Wix Studio. So if you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos. And now let's get started. So what we're going to do now here is firstly go to your wix.com and go to your Wix account and then just go to your site dashboard here. So in my Wix site dashboard here, okay, so this is just a demo that I created, so I'm just logged in on my site here. So what we're going to do now, once you're logged into your site and everything, so I'm going to go to my Wix Studio editor here. So click on edit site and then go to my editor. So once you get to your site editor, so basically if you want to create tabs, then what we can do once you have opened up the project that you want to, there's two ways that you can do is one, you can manually do the tabs, create the tab boxes, the text, everything from scratch, which you can do. So that's you can do manually in that way. Another way you can also do using the tabs, automated tabs, because Wix normally provide you automated tabs which you can templates, so which you can simply select and then customize it. So everything is customizable, so you don't need to worry, you can customize that. So these are the two ways that I can do. So I will just walk you through on both of these ways here. So for example here, so when I create so this is my, for example, my page here. So to manually if you want to create a tab, so what you have to do is you have to add a section or a container for the tabs. So something like the buttons for the tabs, so something like this. I've just got a one here. So if you click on this add element plus option here, the add element option, and then here you will see there is an option called strip. Okay, so you can either use a strip or a container. Okay, so you can use strip here. So if you select strip, and you can add something like this, so a strip where it's like a box where you can add it and then people will click on it, so something like that. And then once you have added it, you can add text to it. Okay, hit on text. Okay, hit on text and then add text to it. Okay, so, and then create like a button here. So for example, if you see here, I've got one here, something like that. So you have to manually assign it when you click it. So what do you want it to show in this tab? So this is like a tab. So that's one way you can just do this. Okay, so if you so that's manually you can do this. Okay, and also if instead of tab you can also use boxes. So if you click on add elements again, and then here if you click on box, here you will see there's different types of box that's pre-made for you. So you can simply choose one of these and use this as the switch or the menu for your tabs. Okay, you can use that. But alternatively, what I would suggest is you can simply use the pre-made templates available here, because that's much easier and it's very easy to create and customize it. So to do that, what you can do, you can simply click on this add element again. Okay, click on the add element option and then go to box. And then when you go to box here, option here, you will see there is a tab option there. So simply click on the tabs. Okay, and here you will see there's a wide range of pre-made tabs for you based on your website, suggestions made by Wix. So you can simply select one of these. Okay, you can simply select one of these. For example, I've got this one here. So just to use it, all we have to do is just drag and drop. So simply click on it and then drop it. Okay, simply click on it to use it, to drop it. So you can just simply position this wherever you want on your page for this. Okay, so you can just place it wherever you want to in your page, so you can do that. Okay, so for example, let me just bring it down. You can just click it and bring it all the way down. So I just want to bring it down. Okay, so here it's going to put it underneath here. Okay, so here you go. So something like this. Okay, so as you can see, these tabs are pre-made. Okay, so pre-made, what we're going to do is simply customize them. Okay, so for example here I've got these tabs here. So simply select one tab, so for example this one, and what we're going to do is simply click on it. Okay, so click on it and then you can add you can fully customize it, so you can replace this text and use it with your text. Okay, you can do that. See, you can just select it, and then you can just write whatever you want to, like you replace your text, and then this is your text settings, where how you can like edit it, so you know, your style, font, color, everything is customizable here, and then how you want it. And then if you want to add effects or anything, you can just choose from here. Okay, so everything what you need about this, you can just get it done there. And also if you want to replace any image, you can just click on it, and then you can click on this, you can edit it, or you can just click on change image, and then you can simply change the image to from Wix library or something from your own. You can simply just hit on drag and drop it here from your computer, just upload it, and then you can use that. So you can just customize this tab here. So once this is done, if you want to go to the next tab, so we're going to do, click on this arrow here and then go to the next tab here. So click on the next tab. Okay, and this is the next tab here. So what happened, you can just click on this option here. So you can click it here, and then what you can do, you can simply do the same thing, add the contents, click on it, and then add the same contents to it. So like whatever the content is, you can replace with your contents. Okay, once that done, you also have this option here called manage tabs. If you click on it here, you will be able to manage the tabs. So here what you can do, you can add tabs. So for example, this is the pre-made one. If you want to add a tab, you can hit on add tab, or if you want to create a duplicate of the tab, you can click on duplicate. Or else if you want to like, if you select the tab and then click on this edit option, so you will have this option here to rename it, or to, if you don't want, you want to get rid of that tab, then you can hit on delete. Okay, and then if you want to rename it, so rename it. So tableware, you can see products, so something like that. So you can simply customize that. Okay, and then hit on done, and that's it. As you can see, it has been changed now. Okay, and this is the settings for the tab. If you click on the settings, you'll get to the tab settings here, where you can add like transitions. If you want to have any transitions, you can add it here, and you can do all those set those settings here. That's from the tab settings here. Okay, and this is the layout. So if you click on layout, and here it will show you how it's going to look like. So you can simply choose the layout based on here, and then you can customize the layout as well here. Okay, and then next you have this option here where you can design it. So if you click on design, and then this will open up your tab design here. So if you're not happy with it, you can change the layout if you want to. So these are the things that you can do with the tabs. Okay, and once you're done with everything, so this is for example, so you're done with the editing and all those things. And also I forgot to mention, so you can also add animations and effects. So if you click on animations and effects, you can simply add animations and effects to your tabs as well, and you can just customize it based on how you want it. So you can do that too. So once you're fully done with all your tab creation, everything, then that's the basic thing that we're going to do is simply save, and then once you're happy with it, hit on publish to publish it. So that's pretty much how you actually add tabs to your Wix or to your Wix website through the studio. It's pretty easy. Okay, especially when you are using the pre-made templates, it's very easy. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So by following these tips, you can easily create neat tab layout in your Wix Studio. So that's pretty much it. I hope the video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.